Hey everyone, this is Steve, the swing trader, coming at you with another short video. Today it'll be about Bitcoin, and basically I'll be sharing my ideas on how I read and chart price action. And here's a little bit of information about my trading style, usually daily, weekly time frames, and here's some of the rules that I follow. Um, Determined trend action, cut losses quick, use only indicators you understand, and let price dictate your actions. So let's get to the, with that said, let's get to the charts. And here we have Bitcoin. On the right side here, I'm using looking at a daily chart, and here on the left side is a weekly chart of Bitcoin. I like to look at daily and weekly. On the zooming out on the weekly, you can see that Bitcoin has uh, been on a massive bull run and looks very strong. And coming down here to my Stoke RSI, we see that it's potentially forming a cross on the Stoke RSI here, and that may indicate some weakness in momentum. As you can see in previous crosses on the Stoke RSI, it indicated short-term weakness, uh, some consolidation in price before a move up, and want to show you with the crypto fear and greed index. Right now it's at 94, and which is very high. Historically, looks like in the past we hit 95 back in June 2019 before the big drop. So you want to be careful out there. Uh, the greed is very high right now, but what really matters is price action. So let's look at the daily chart here, and let me go ahead maximize that. Looking at the daily chart, I have some moving averages here. Red for the 200, blue for the 50. Way above that at this point is not relevant, so I'm going to turn that off and turn off the moving averages. And let's look at let's look at the current price action here. I get a trend line offering support for the current price action, and I'm waiting to see when price will start testing this support line and see if it'll bounce or break through. Seeing that on the weekly, the Stochn RSI is about to cross, and the fact that fear and greed index is at a very high 94. Looks like there's potential. We may see some might see a potential correction in Bitcoin. That would be kind of what I would be anticipating, but you never know until what price action does right at this support level. You may even bounce off of it and keep going higher. We'll have to see. Coming down here to the daily Stochn RSI, as long as it's above the 50 line, it's bullish. Price will stay bullish. Coming down here to the regular RSI, RSI is way above 70, which means it's still very bullish. And third indicator I got down here is the MACD, and it's above the zero line, and no indication of bearish cross right now at this moment. So still very bullish at this point. So we'll see what happens. I'll be continuing checking to see where price is in relation to this support line here, and be checking with you uh, when we get closer, when it approaches the trend line there. So thank you for watching, and see you at the next video.